Hello and welcome back, everyone. Thanks for joining me. Now, a few of you have asked for it, and that is what happened to that lavender and what to do when your lavender goes woody video. Now, if you haven't seen that lavender was in a bad way. It wasn't trimmed properly. It wasn't in a good spot. So what I did is I lifted it because I was going to move them. And I trimmed them back extremely hard. I trimmed them back to the last green growth like that I could find, because even though they're big and woody, there wasn't growth. They should have been pruned and they were just neglected. Now, I pruned and lifted 5 plants. Out of those 5, only 3 survived, but they're looking pretty damn good for the condition they were in. And they're right here, right behind me. I moved them to a raised bed, if you will, pretty much. It's a stone wall, on the edge of a stone wall, so there's good drainage. The soil's not too rich. Lavender doesn't need a lot of rich soil. It can actually hurt them. And right now, they are in beautiful bloom. So after they're done blooming, I'm going to go ahead and trim them by about 1/3 to help them from getting woody again. Now, there's 3 plants here. One of them's really small, but that one was like an ER case. But it's thriving. That's all I asked for. I'll keep trimming that one back by 1/3, see what happens. If not, it's okay. I'll get rid of it. It's one of those things, but overall, they're looking good. Now I'll go ahead and show you the 3 of them here, what they look like. All right, everyone, so here's some of the lavender. This is the first one. It's a very good size. This one, I trimmed back hard, but guess what? I was able to keep it pretty decent size. So it's nice and filled out. And I'll trim it by 1/3. This was a small one I was talking about. But guess what? It's healthy. It's not woody. And it's doing pretty decent with this orange thyme I have here. And this is the 3rd one. It's actually doing pretty good. Let me get that violet out of here, but it's beautiful. And look, I mean, it's doing pretty decent. There's a little bit of old growth back there I have to chop back, but they are looking good. So 3 out of 5 plants, not too shabby. I'm happy. The bees are happy. And I was able to save them. Oh, look at that little bee right there. Just enjoying the lavender. There's a few bees. And funny enough, as a little caveat, this orange thyme, I'm going to have to cut it back too to keep it from getting woody. It just got done flowering. But this lavender, 3 out of 5 plants saved, moved, rehabbed, not looking too bad. Those are 3 out of the 5 lavenders that I was able to save. As mentioned earlier, 2 of them didn't survive. But for the dire straits they're in, that's not too bad. And they're looking pretty damn good. Even that little one, I had to do some immense surgery on. It's doing okay. It just goes to show you that plants are a lot tougher than what we give them credit for. And if a plant's not looking good in your garden, try trimming it or try moving it, because it may just save your bacon and save the plants. And as always, remember, right plant, right place. Take care of your plants. That's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. And until next time, bye-bye.